Okay, we got the ECM here, engine control module, ECM, that's what it's called. So if you're gonna get another one, so make sure you go by these numbers, all these numbers, search that up. It's coming, it's on the way. But anyways, it's partially working, meaning once I dried it up, it could have been my fault, I don't know, but once it's in water, it's in water. And what we did was, like I said, when you have a car go through water, cut off all the electricity, disconnect the battery, dry things up. It's all up to you. But we had spark, but no we didn't have what you call it? We didn't have a pulse in the injectors. And once we took this apart, I'm retaking this apart because I want to show you something. But the ECM, once you go through water, most likely it's bad, no matter what. But what we did here was we dried it up. After that, we got spark, but no pulse. Prior to getting spark, I'm gonna explain to you guys one thing I did. And we had no spark. We opened this up. We dried this up really well. As you can see, look, you see that? That's water damage all over. And water damage. Like I said, only half of this ECM was underwater. Like the car must have been tilted to one side. Water got in. And I don't mean by like only half of it, like half of the board was. But the water didn't reach crazy high. So this ECM only got soaked partially. But it is done. You can see it all over. The white marking of water. You see it right there. It looked like a dust in there. But we plugged this up. Just like the circuit board after drying it. Just like that. We plugged it into the car. And we had no spark. Then after an hour, I realized you never know. You never know. You see these contacts? You see these contacts? You see, let's flip it over. Let's flip it over. It's better if we flip it over. Okay, is it better if you flip it over? No, it's better if you leave it like this. But if you see these contacts, let me get something to point with. See these contacts here? These contacts, this whole thing is a contact, and this becomes a ground to this metal here. But these contacts run, you can see a small little wire going through this circuit here, and then it goes to this probably a resistor here. So it runs in there, This is part of the circuit. So maybe this ground runs to this ground here, because this over here runs to these resistors here. So this and this all. And these three, I'm not sure about. I can't see much here. And there's nothing here. So all these three could be a connection. So what we did was, we quickly realized that could be an issue. We took this baby and we put this baby back apart. And we took this. We locked everything up. And we closed this box up. And I locked up this box. And when I went, put it back into the car, just like that, we had spark. After that, we had spark, but no pulse in the injector. So it could have been partially dead, but ECM shot. Thank you for watching.